Hi friends, Tina Did It here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another pegboard idea. Yes, all of these items are from Dollar Tree, including the cup up there for the brushes. And if you don't need a paintbrush holder, you can go ahead and continue on putting the shelves up to the top so that way it holds more paint. And if you don't need it for paint, if you don't need a paint organizer, sorry, you can use this also as a makeup organizer. So here I just move the cup to the side for the brushes and I put everything on there. Before I start this project though, you guys know I'm traveling soon. Actually in a few hours, we're about to get on the plane. But I'm going to Egypt, like I said in my previous video. I just want to give a huge shout out to Nail Garden in North Hollywood. So if you're anywhere in the North Hollywood area or in Los Angeles area, please check out this nail salon. Look how clean and simply gorgeous this nail salon looks. Listen, I've had interesting experiences with nail salons previously, but this one, I'm telling you, it's different. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted with a huge smile. They have tons of colors you can pick from when it comes to nail polish. But yes, and they even have charms. So here are my niece's nails. You'll see my nails in the video, but this is exactly what she went in for. And yeah, so definitely check them out. I'll put their Instagram link down in the description. And for all my besties here, be sure to give them a follow, show them your support, and thank you once again, Nail Garden in NoHo West. Thank you for making this such an awesome experience. And now we are vacation ready. Now let's get on with the video. Here are the items that I used to make this organizer. I picked up the square pegboard and the rectangle shelves and the cup. Once again, you can get creative with this. You don't have to use the cup if you don't need a brush holder, but here I'm doing it with one hand. Seriously, this is super easy and I'm in love with these pegboard DIYs. But here I went ahead and added the square pegboard on my wall, and now I'm going to add the shelves and the cup. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell. And here I am, I'm just adding my second shelf in. The reason why they're different colors is because that's all I found at my Dollar Tree. They only had one of each, but that's okay. I don't mind the black and white, but remember, you could always spray paint this if you'd like. So if you're using it for like the makeup look, I would go for maybe a gold or a rose gold spray paint. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And notice here, each shelf holds 7 paint bottles, so this is perfect. And you could also zip tie. Do you remember the napkin holder? Maybe I'll show that in my upcoming videos after the vacation break. But here's how it looks with makeup. And yeah, so let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Bye.